Alright, here we have older style Zippo 10, 215 CW, 293 America Reflect. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I like this kind of hammer tone teal. And then here we have some documentation on Carson Waterman signature series. We'll pop that out. Oh, look at that, the sticker behind it. So you can read about the artist, it looks like. Some historic information. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's really cool. So this is a nice box, so I'll probably we'll keep this one with it. But looks to be never fired, but beautiful condition. Doesn't appear to have been fired. We'll move the flint. Okay, maybe it has, because that's flint's definitely being used. You can tell how short it is, obviously. But maybe this insert doesn't match it. Let's see. Can't really read the date of these thick painted Zippos. I mean, the wick appears to have never been fired, but there's definitely some wear from the hinge lid closing down on this insert. So it's definitely been used. But a beautiful Zippo. Love that design.